Suddenly, you realize that a car is headed towards your car the wrong way in a one-way tunnel. To minimize your danger from the approaching accident, should you match your speed to that of the other car, go even faster, or slow to a stop? A head-on collision is the most dangerous type of car collision. Surprisingly, the data collected about head-on collisions suggests that the risk or probability of fatality to a driver is less if the driver has a passenger in the car. But why is that? Let's find out. The best advice is to stop, and if possible, put your car in reverse. You can get a measure of the severity of the collision by considering the total kinetic energy or the total momentum of the cars before the collision. If you do not decrease your speed towards the other car, both quantities are large, and so the collision will be severe. The situation is unlike football, where one player may choose to speed up when running head-on into another player. The difference is that a player may want the collision to be violent, and by properly orienting his body, he can shift the collision to his opponent's vulnerable area, or cause his opponent to become unbalanced and slam into the field. Data collected about head-on car collisions indicate that adding a passenger to your car reduces your risk of fatality. That risk depends on the change in your velocity during the collision. A large change means that you undergo a severe acceleration due to a severe force. For example, if your car has a small mass and the other car has a large mass, your velocity may be changed so much that you end up going backward. Additional mass in your car from a passenger or even a sandbag in the trunk can decrease your change in velocity and thus also your risk. Here is one numerical result. Suppose your car and the other car are identical, and that your mass and the other driver's mass are identical. Your fatality risk is reduced by about 9% if you have an 80 kilogram passenger in your car. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video interesting or informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.